www.gibsonTruckworld.com 2008 Chevy 1500 LT leather crew cab, riding on like new tires. Under factory warranty through 11/16/12. OnStar, leather seating, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. If you're in search of a solid truck that features comfort, style, and reliability, this Chevy was built for you. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay you $1,000 if you find